Today asking for central forces to protect the dam. In fact, spoke about the safety of the dam. Vaiko, they're accusing Kerala of creating a fear psychosis about the Mullaperiyar Dam. Well, now returning to the other big story, Mahipal Madanna, the sacked Rajasthan minister, is in Delhi. He's been brought here by the CBI and will be questioned in Bhavri Devi murder case. And the CBI probing the case says it has evidence against Madanna suggesting that he was in touch with Bhavri Devi around the time of her abduction on September 1st. Well, for more on that, let's go across to NDTV's Sunetra Chaudhary. For more, Sunetra, the CBI clearly trying to resolve this case very soon, moving Madanna out of Rajasthan, bringing him to Delhi, and now saying that they do have evidence of him being in touch with Bhavri Devi the time that she was abducted.
Well, Madanna has really been the center of the entire investigation. He's the one who featured in that CD, and CBI he was at the center of suspicion from the beginning. That's why CBI was targeting him. But they wanted clear evidence, and they seem to have got that, which is why they charge sheeted him and subsequently they arrested him. What is the evidence against him? They say that basically he was in touch with the key conspirator in the case, that's Sahiram Bishnoi, and CBI feels that even after she was kidnapped on the 1st of September till about the 7th September, the main person who was coordinating the entire thing, the person who could be called the hitman in the case, Sahiram Bishnoi, he was using one of these SIM cards and speaking with Mahipal Madanna. CBI feels that that is good enough to take him into custody. But they say that even after his arrest, because a lot of his supporters were in Rajasthan, they were creating a lot of pressure. They would intimidate the media and other officers as well. That's why they felt perhaps it was best that he was brought here in Delhi. And that's what they're hoping, that till now, Mahipal Madanna, former Congress minister, who hasn't been cooperative till now, they hope that he will open up over here. They'll give them some clues. What clues are they looking for? They're looking for some kind of clues to establish once and for all that Bhavri Devi was killed. That's something that a lot of the people who are already in custody have told the CBI, that they kidnapped her, handed her over to a second gang who killed her. But they haven't been able to establish that in the form of forensic evidence. They recovered her jewelry as well on the basis of the testimonies that the people that are in custody have given. But they're hoping that one, Mahipal Madanna leads them to that key hitman, Bishnoi, and also after that to recover some kind of forensic evidence which will give closure to this case.
Right, Sunita, thanks so much for joining us with that. So the CBI hoping Madanna will crack in Delhi.